Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. TGIM pandas. Thank God it's Monday. Monday. Sorry for the late start, pandas. Market's about to open though. We got a huge move up. Very big move up. We could have a bull trend day today. Gap here. Big move up. Daily chart showing a strong bear bar, but being bought up immediately. Whew. Could be a bull trend day today, truly. I took 2 trades. Not gonna lie. I got hit on both. I took 2 trades. I like them both. It's all good, pandas. We'll make it back. 320 is nothing. Mawashi, good morning. Welcome, guys. Welcome. Make sure you scalp that like button. We're live streaming right now. Got about 1 more minute to market open. Are you ready, pandas? Pandas, don't forget. It doesn't matter what happened last week. It doesn't matter what happened last trading day. All that matters is what happens today, pandas. We're going to get it. Mark up until 30 seconds, pandas. 30 seconds. Hold your horses. Hold your horses. I might just go long right off the bat. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blast off. No news today, pandas. Our big news is coming up on Wednesday. Okay. Okay. It's not big of a move as I thought. Like on the 5-minute chart, it doesn't look that high off the previous day's low. It's not that much higher. I don't know, second entry low maybe. Okay. Inside bar. Brace the inside bar. Another push down. Okay. Second entry long. Second entry long, pandas. Big push down though. At the bottom of the channel here. Okay. It's a bad signal bar. But I do want to go long. Yikes. Give me a higher low. I kind of want to go long here if it hits. Just for a quick scalp. I kind of want to go long here for a quick scalp. Quick scalp we do not get. Ooh, higher low, I'll take it. Double position, whoa! Okay, I'll let it play out. That's wacky. Ooh, that's not good. That's not good, pandas. I'll tell you that much. That's not good right now. I'll be surprised if I live. I am surprised. Nothing really surprises me, but that's a bit surprising. Okay, I'll take it. Oh, wow. I could have came out break even. I'm holding it, though, pandas. I'm holding it. I am holding this one. I think it's going to be big. Let's get a little bit more. It had so many chances to reverse. Fails to do so. I need at least 10 points, pandas. I need at least 10 points here. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Complete reversal. Gets shut down immediately. What is that? Yikes. Do I like this anymore? I don't know if I like
Target
this anymore,
filled.
pandas. Strong bull bar ending on its high. No follow through whatsoever. I'm gonna let this one go. Small teeny skunk here. It's like 5 points maybe. Not even. I don't like the big bull bar, big bear bar. Ends up working out. Darn it. Pandas! I got shooketh. I got shooketh out of that trade. I really did get shooketh. But it is a limit order market. Regardless. Man, I wanted that long, but this signal bar. I couldn't take it out of that signal bar. It's so ugly. I mean, you gotta admit, it's a little bit ugly, right, pandas? That signal bar. Alright, I think I'm gonna read this like this. Like a spiking channel here, overshoot. Just small channel here. Overshoot, undershoot. I'm gonna read it like that. Overshoot, undershoot. Get off my screen. Overshoot? Not really undershoot, actually test. Or I can make this very angled here. Nah. I almost like it like this better. And then spiking channel. I feel like this is what's happening here, spiking channel here. Like it could be a strong uptrend day today. Really could be. Lee, good morning. Kyle L, welcome back. It's been a long time. Hope you've been doing well. I was thinking about you and your family. Hoping that their trading journey is going well. I was like, man, I haven't seen Kyle in a while. Decent push-up still. Eh, always in long. I mean, you know what that means, pandas. Limit order markets require limit order trades. Let's see if we can get something here. I feel like it's gonna wreck me, but we shall see. I was one tick off on that trade, literally. I mean, I have to zoom all the way so you can see I was one tick off from entering that trade. I don't know if I like it anymore. Strong bull candle on the 5-minute chart. I mean, second entry long here. I mean, I have to take it, right? I have to try. I have to at least try. Or it could be an opening reversal. I have to at least try this trade. The risk is not that big. We're in an uptrend. Second entry long. I'll still look for 10 points even though my risk is less than 10 points.
10,000 tick trap.
And if we don't get it, we don't get it, pandas. Oh, do I want more? I'm getting a little bit greedy here. I'm looking for more than 10 points now. I don't feel as bad if we don't even reach 10 points. Look for a 2-to-1 here. Or 1-to-2. It reverses traps trades here. But it's above the 20 MA still. I like it even more to go long. Goodness gracious. Should I scale in here even more? I'll let the trade play out by itself. I don't want to expose myself more. Especially now it's looking a bit like it's not going to work. Yeah. I mean, second entry long, I got to try. Strong uptrend. Come off the 20 MA. Small risk as well, so what's the worst that can happen? I lose like $100 something. But if I double my position, I'm gonna risk a lot more here. Alright, this trap. How's that bar reversal? Takes me out. Okay, I tried. I tried my darndest, pandas. I truly did try my darndest right there. And that's what it is. I don't regret taking that trade though. I really don't. I think the trade is fine. I mean, second entry long, small risk. Down 400. I mean, what is going on right now? I mean, we are in an uptrend now. I should be scaling in. We are in an uptrend, no? It's getting a little bit sus now. I'm just looking to go long, but man, this is a limit or turn to a limit order market, very spiky, lots of wicks, small bodies. So it's very unpredictable what the market can do right now. Especially timing is very hard in these situations. Very, very like, ooh, looks spiky. Right, looks like barbed wire. Looks like you're trying to crawl through barbed wire right now. Let's wait till a little more clarity. I don't like these wicks here. Too many wicks. Too much overlap, even though it's an uptrend. Higher low here. About to trigger. Do I like it? I would if the price action was a little bit cleaner, but down 425. Let's sit on our pause for a little bit. Let's push up pretty high. I mean, I like the higher low, but man, too much barbed wire. I'll take the fail second entry short here. I'll take that. Give me a fail second entry short, I'll take it. Will it give me a fail second entry short is a question. Jeez Louise. Nope. Not even close. Yeah, blast off without me. I like the higher low pandas, but like I said, it looked like barbed wire. Hard for me to take that trade, especially if it looks like this all the way down. I like the direction, right? That's why I went long here, but ended up being too much barbed wire. Now higher low is tempting, very tempting. Crazy man, that's why I don't trade ES anymore, because it's just too slow. It's just too slow. I only have an hour with you guys. I only have 1 hour with you guys. It's too choppy. It's not enough opportunity. Get strong bull bar, no follow through. Just a bear bar right afterwards. Still in a limit order market here, but with a bullish bias here. I mean, I guess I just buy with limit orders. The first sign of a limit order trade, just buy. Oof. What is that? What is that? Ew. Interesting. Okay, guess I'm taking a fail second entry long here. If it happens, and it doesn't happen, just go straight down. No opportunities. Right, bull bar, strong bull bar, and then no follow through. It's a bull trap. I mean, it could still be bullish though. Right, making an expanding pattern now. I could try, but if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna be like, I knew it. I could try. No promises here. It's not very pretty in my opinion. Alright, in this trade. It's about a 1-to-1 with 10 points. Alright, bear bar. No follow through, just reverses immediately. Gets bought up with limit orders here. It's just not the market to trade with stop orders. Yeah. So I get stopped out immediately. Very next candle. That's the kind of market we're in, just a limit order market. I should be buying down there instead of selling. I mean, technically I should be selling up here, but we're making an expanding pattern, right? Which is patterns I hate. I should have not gone short just based off this expanding pattern. I mean, what did I say from the beginning? I was like, I just knew it wasn't a good trade. It didn't look pretty. Every single day, Pandas, it's gonna be like this. Every single day, it's gonna be me negative 1,000 and me having to regain the entire stream. That's all. Every single trade is just comeback trading. Jeez. trading range. Ooh, I don't know. Now it feels like this. I don't know. I guess I should be selling up here. I should be buying down here, selling up here. That's the idea. Kyle L. dropping the $4 super chat. Appreciated. Kyle says, Nvidia just double top, heads up on the drop. Alright, I gotta try. I gotta try. Coming off our trend line here. I gotta try, pandas. I gotta try something. We breaking out here. It's gonna blast off. Alright, in this trade. I gotta try. Coming off our trend line. Why not, pandas? What's the worst that can happen? What's the worst that could happen? Other than this. Coming off our trend line. We're slightly above the 20 MA. Felt like we're top of a trading range. Cool. Very cool. Pops up. Jeez. It's tough. This is very tough, right? We got like 7 overlapping bars in a row now. I mean, convention has it that I should just be shorting with limit orders up here. Higher or low on the 5-minute chart. All right, the 5-minute chart is creating a higher low. Big gap, higher low here. Jeez, pandas, like, how do you trade this? How do you trade this, pandas? This is insane. I guess if you had to ask that question, you shouldn't be trading it. Isn't that common sense? Like, if you had to ask, how do you trade this? You should just stay out of the trade altogether. Looks like we're popping up here. Looks like we're about to break out. Let's try bull bars with no follow through. Bouncing up 20 MA now. Jeez, I mean, you can just, it's just very hard to trade this. I should be buying with limit orders here, technically, yeah. Just buy with limit orders somewhere down here, sell somewhere up here. It's not even like a, it's barely a 10-point range. What's the size of our range here? It's like 14 points. Wow, this is very difficult. Just sitting on my paws, pandas. I mean, I could do something cheeky. I could try. If you want, I could do something cheeky. I mean, I've done it before. I mean, if you really want me to do something cheeky here, I could try. It actually touches my entry, and now we're in. I could do something cheeky, pandas. Is it like the moment I enter, this pattern breaks? We're on breakout mode. Is it the moment I enter, the pattern breaks? Is it true, pandas?
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Now, if you want to be very cheeky, cheeky deaky, if you want to be very cheeky, oh boy, oh wow, I missed it. Just sell at the top. I was trying to. I got a little too conservative. Right, just buy the bottom, sell the top. I was gonna get very cheeky right there. Wow. I mean, if you want to talk about tight range, if you want to talk about small trading ranges, this is the example you gotta use. Wow. I mean, it is just in and out, in and out, in and out of 20 EMA as well. Okay, just pops back down. I don't know how far
10,000
it's
tick
gonna
trap.
go. I have no idea how far it's gonna go. Doesn't look like it's gonna go down very far. But who knows, pandas? Who really knows? It's gonna break down here. I mean, eventually it's gonna break out. Eventually. What will cause it to break out? I don't know. Kyle somehow making money in this destruction right here. Congratulations. Congratulations. Alright. Alright. I mean, what do I do, pandas? What is there to do here? Bill 7, good morning. I'm going to take a failsafe entry long. Don't sue me. Oof. Maybe limit order trading is still the best here. Obviously, limit order trading is still the best here. Alright. Cancel. Cancel that idea altogether. Oof. Do I still like it? I kind of like it. I kind of like it, pandas. The risk is not that big either. But our reward could be decent. Right? Our reward could be pretty decent here. The risk is very small. Ah, fails. It's all good. Obviously, pandas, what was I thinking? We're in a limit order trading. Why am I even trying to trade a breakdown right there? Pops all the way up. Back to the top of the trading range. It tries to break down. It actually ends up maybe gaining the liquidity to really pop up now. Another expanding pattern here. So many expanding patterns. That's all we are. I mean, the risk was so small, pandas. Again, I don't mind losing like the small risk trades, especially if your reward could be decent. I'm just kind of upset at myself for taking stop order trades in this super limit order market. Now we might be breaking out. Scalp that like button. Bill 7 always reminding us what's good. All right, pandas. This is it. We're breaking free. Okay, not the outside bar reversal. Not that. No siree. Not that way. Not in that way. Nope. Not the outside bar reversal. Just in a choppy market like this. Okay, coming back into our trading range. Oh, maybe way back into our trading range. Huh. I guess I'll go short. I don't know. Am I looking for a short trade here, pandas? Am I looking for a short trade here? I do not know. Shooting for the stars. Gotta really just take a chance here if I'm gonna go in, and it's gone. I mean, you're banking on the breakout right there. I don't know. I don't know, pandas. This was tough. This was very tough. Are we really breaking out here? Has the market made a decision? I mean, even the breakouts are very choppy. Lots of overlap here. I mean, if you can't beat them, join them, right, pandas? Can't beat them? Join them. If you can't join them, get beat by them. Jeez. Alright. I tried. I'm trying to go up with this. I mean, if I come out break even, I'll come out break even now. This is looking terrible. If I get hit again. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. That's what we're experiencing right now. Death by 1,000 paper cuts. I try to buy near the 20 EMA, thinking we're going choppy upwards. I felt like that was a logical support. I don't know how we're still alive, and we're dead. Every day, pandas. All right, am I going short now? Jeez, these markets are crazy. What am I trying to do? People are making money somehow in these markets. They're doing it. Just not me. Just not me. All right, I tried to go up on that grindy breakout. Doesn't work. It pops up here. I guess. Outside bar reversal? Jeez Louise. Can't beat them, join them. Right. I mean, I like the uptrend still, but I mean, you gotta realize, it's 50-50 right now. Your best bet is to trade with the trading range. Continue to range. I wish we got the failsafe entry long here. That'd be nice. Alright, I'll take this. I like this trade. Take it. Probably gonna fail, but yeah, I know. You just live with it. Ugly looking signal bar right here. I still like it because of the trading range. I just feel like we're at the top of a trading range if we were in one. That looks like it's pushing up pretty hard. Interesting. I'm gonna try to play this trading range, come back to the bottom. Let's see if anything comes out of it. Or it's just on a bull trend now. I should be buying with limit orders instead of selling with stop orders. Are we really bullish right now, actually? I'm just trying to trade trading range in a bullish trend. It's definitely a bit sus right now. Yeah, extremely sus. Extremely sus now. High or low. Boy, pandas. What do I do? Okay, calm down, everybody. Jason Sims says, weird. My bars look so much different than yours. I reloaded too. All right, let me reload. It's the reload, no wonder. Weird. I had paid for my evals, but not showing up. Contact Apex. They should show up. They should be there. Wow. Whoa. What to make of this, pandas? What to make of this? If I were to put a limit order somewhere to sell, where would it be? If we were to sell somewhere, where would we sell? Obviously in a bullish bias. Right? Making higher lows, higher highs still. It's subtle, but it's all there. Strong bull bars, ending on their high with no follow through. It's disgusting. What can I say? This price action is terrible. Double top here. It'll need a little confirmation on a double top. Maybe a lower high of some sort. Okay, makes a higher high. Okay, are we breaking out? This is it. This is what we've been waiting for. No idea. Oh, my bars are very different. After I reloaded, my bars are very different now. Interesting. Wow, like it changed a lot. And my trading range changed as well. What in the world? I mean, I guess we're breaking out here. I guess. My candles changed a lot. I'm glad I did that reload. Thanks for that in the chat. Okay. Okay. I mean, sure. I don't know. Are the pullbacks deep here? Are we coming all the way down to this trend line? What? I don't know. Off the 20 May first entry. I don't know. Very difficult. Very difficult. Okay, lower high maybe here. Maybe not. Okay. Had a chance to reverse. Still hasn't. Lower high. Still in the cards. And micro double bottom. Instead. I don't know what's happening. Okay. Okay. Micro triple bottom. Okay, now it's breaking down a little bit. Second entry long. I guess. I mean, if that's what you want to give me, I guess. Look for a new high, maybe. Not even. Not even. It's not gonna even get there. I'm gonna hold it though. Again, what's the worst that can happen? I get a little teeny boo boo. Shooting for the stars.
Ten thousand tick trap.
Tough market. Very tough market here. Lower high created. Might come back to the bottom trading range. Jeez Louise, strong bull bar ending on its high. I mean, I gotta hold it, right, Panda? Strong bull bar ending on its high. I gotta hold it and try. I gotta hold that and try, Pandas. I don't know what else to tell you. 2,500 as well, creating itself a trap trade here. I had to hold it to see if it triggers, and it's just completely overlapping everything here. I mean, Pandas, can you blame me for that one? Can you blame me for that one, to hold on to that one? Coming back to the bottom of this trading range. Yuck. Yuck. Might as well, Pandas. It's by the bottom of this trend line. Bouncing off our trading range as well. Are we gonna get there though? That's a question. We might get there, Pandas. I'll buy with limit orders, selling with limit orders up here, buying with limit orders down here. Let's see what happens. Lower high here. Doesn't go very far. People buying with limit orders here. Yep. Outside bar reversal. Very cool. Good opportunity here. Ooh, a second short. Okay. Oof, ends up being a strong push down. Maybe breaking down here. Possibly breaking down. I try to make it as generous as possible, conservative as possible. But eventually these things break out and break down, and my timing has been awful today. I could try to shoot for the stars here, but can only hope for the best. Another push down. That's painful. Trying to buy with limit orders on some sort of magical trend line trading range type situation. Who knows, Pandas? This day has been weird, so anything can happen still. And when I say anything, I mean anything, Pandas. Are we gonna even break the 20 EMA is the question. We're gonna bounce right off the 20 EMA? Is that what's gonna happen?
Target filled.
I gotta get a win. I gotta get a base hit, pandas. I gotta get a base hit today. You know what I mean, pandas? I gotta get a base hit. Gotta feel good. I need a base hit, pandas. I need to like get my groove back. You know how it is with me. Once we start finding the market cycle, the market has no chance. The market has no chance, pandas. Let me just get a base hit. Let's get a base hit. I think the base hit was good. How many points was it? It's better than a 1-to-1. Almost 12 points. I'll take the base hit, pandas. You don't understand how much that does for your psyche. High or low here? Do I like it? I actually don't. That's the crazy thing. I don't like it. I mean, we're still in an uptrend for sure, right? The higher time frames, we're just above the 20 EMA the entire time, grinding up like a slug. I mean, that's what it looks like. It's just a big old slug looking thing, and we're grinding up. So it is what it is, pandas. Like, who cares how you feel about it? That's what's happening. High or low here. I'll take a fail second just short, that's all. Fail second short is the only trade I'll take here. Does push up. Oh, pandas, I could have held it to the top of the trading range from down here to up here. I could have done it, pandas, but I didn't. Whoo! It's hard hold. That's a hard hold, man. I just needed a base hit. I had to regain on my mental capital. You know what I mean, pandas? More than my physical capital, I need to regain on that mental capital. If you know what I mean, pandas. Now we're rocketing here. Doesn't mean much. I don't know. I really don't know. Doesn't mean much. I don't know, pandas. Doesn't mean like anything at all. Who knows, pandas? Nobody knows. Who really knows? I mean, always in long trading right now. We've been in a very strong limit order market. And just to switch gears like this, I don't know. Are we always in long? I want to wait for the 5 minute to finish, really. This high or low might be tempting. Why am I so stupid, pandas? Why am I so dumb? 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 Oh, I knew it. Why am I so stupid? I want to jump in the breakout here. The first entry bites me in the butt for having FOMO. Like I said, like it's too much limit order market trading, and it's just weird to switch gears that quickly like that. It's okay, pandas. I'm gonna go long again. See what happens. I'm gonna go long in mid-air. I don't even care. Mid-air, don't care. Wow, just a breakout, absolute failure. Weird, very weird, very weird. Very hard to go long here, in my opinion. I could try, but it doesn't feel nice. Doesn't feel nice at all. It's like a C- setup, you know what I mean? It's a C- setup. It's a C- setup, pandas. It's even worse now. C minus minus setup. Whoo! Almost like the fact that it just popped down a little bit. Almost like that fact. Now it's like a C, it's still a C minus in my opinion. Second entry long. See if we can time this if we have to. Very hard time. Nascraq is very hard time to enter. Woohoo! I'm in this. Signal bar ends up not being the worst. Signal bar ends up not being the worst. Trading range could be a reversal here. I don't know if I want to reverse it though. I want to reverse this. I want to reverse this trade, pandas. I mean, I have to commit to it. It's the first leg up. Does trigger the trap. It's a nice looking trap. Top of a trading range as well. Typically I would take this trap. Instead I'm gonna just get trapped and just take the hit and move on. Because pandas, this is absolutely insane right now. This is absolutely insane, pandas. Do you hear me? Trap's about to fail. Do I like the fail trap? I don't. I would need an H4 at least. H4, if we can get it. Trap might actually end up working out. Getting grindy again. I don't know, pandas. H4, possibly. I'll take an H4. I'll take an H4. Wowzers. Wowzers, Bowsers. This is brutal, pandas. This is brutal price action. I'll take the H4. I sure dilly do will take the H4 here. H4 might be the thing that actually makes this trap work. Spike channel. Keeps making lower lows here. Might be a downtrend. Might just be full blown reversal here. I mean, it looks like a spiking channel, right? Spike channel. Like if you want to make money in this market cycle, then you just have to sell with limit orders here, buy with limit orders here. That's what it looks like it's happening right now. It's not the most precise channel here. Okay, big flush. Big flush. That's why you just take the stop loss, move on, pandas. Just take the hit, move on because of these situations. Big push down. That's all the way back down. The trap ends up being very good. Working out very well. I mean, we are on a breakdown right now. It's like always in short trade. It feels like something like this, still expanding. You know, pandas? You know what I mean? It feels like it's still expanding. Comes very hard to the bottom here. Do I want a first entry to go short here? I don't know. Not really. Turns to absolute chop right on the 240 SMA. Like, it's one of those, like, you have to sell up here if you want to make money type situations. Five overlapping bars, like completely overlapping. Hard to go short here, but could work out. One, two, three, four, five, six completely overlapping bars. I mean, I might as well sell around here because that's what's happening right now. We can even get to this height. Can't even get there. We can't even get here to this pivot. Well, that's exactly what's happening right now. It's absolutely insane. That looks disgusting, pandas. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 overlapping bar. Like, it is completely overlapping. I mean, if you can't beat them, join them, pandas. Try to go short somewhere around here. See if I can get in. Doesn't seem to be able to get up to where I want it to get to. Comes back down. I have a slightly bearish bias, so I'm scared to buy down here because I feel like it's going to push down if it does push down. It's going to push down hard if it does push down. Take a lower high. I'll take a lower high if we can get it, but we'll see. Like, look at this, pandas. What am I supposed to do here? 1, 2, 3. I'll take this. I'm gonna take a double. Never mind, but I'll still take the lower high. What in the world kind of trading range? Pandas, what am I supposed to do here? That's crazy, like. I mean, and it's expanding too, which is the funny part. Jeez. Who's having fun now? Who's having fun in this market? Raise your hand. How are you supposed to trade this? I mean, technically, breaks down here. We need overshoot, undershoot, overshoot. We need some sort of overshoot here to balance this out. First entry short. We can still be first entry shorts if we're breaking down here, but don't know. Are we breaking down here? Can this day get any choppier is the question. Jeez Louise. Can this day get any choppier, pandas? I don't know. I do not know. What in the world, pandas? What's supposed to do? I don't know. I guess I'll just watch, just see what happens. Do I want a second entry short here? I don't know. I don't think so. Inside bar. Okay. Breaks down. Just breaking down. No chance of entry here. I just don't know what to do here. Who in the world was like, I'm just going to sell right here? Like, who was thinking that? Like, let me just sell right here. Who in the world was thinking that? Some madman out there is thinking that. Some mad institution saying, yeah, I'll sell right here. Of course. Doesn't that make sense? Just sell right there. This is the most obvious sell ever. Why didn't you do it? What? What is he talking about? Have you guys ever seen the movie Edge of Tomorrow? Okay, lower high. Lower highs are working out right now. Couldn't really quite get back up to the top of the channel here. I watched Edge of Tomorrow yesterday. It came out on Netflix. The ending's a bit confusing, no? So, if you don't know, cover your ears, earplugs, earmuffs. At the end of Edge of Tomorrow, Tom Cruise wakes up. He's been on this loop, waking up like on the dock. But when he wakes up at the end of the movie, he wakes up in a helicopter. How does that make any sense? Second, just short here, but choppy. Very choppy, in fact. It's a second just short though. These setups are unreliable, I believe. These setups are very unreliable. No, they're not. They're amazing. Ends up working out very nicely. Second just short. Bounces off our bottom of our channel again. Spike in channel. I'm trying to capture a trade at the top of this channel on the spike in channel. Is that like... Is that fair? That seems fair. It seems reasonable to me. Right? If you see a spike in channel, you want to find a trade near the top of the spike in channel, not near the bottom of the spike in channel. Does that make sense? Or am I going cuckoo for Cuckoo Puffs? What was he wearing? If you guys remember the end of the movie of Edge of Tomorrow, Tom Cruise wakes up in the helicopter. Like, does that make sense according to the logic of the movie? Alright, let me explain it to you guys. In the movie, there are these aliens who can reset the day. That's like their alien power. They reset the day. And the power comes through their blood. Tom Cruise one day gains this power because he kills one of these monsters. He kills one of the aliens, and the blood of the alien goes into his bloodstream. And so then he gains the power. So he dies, and then he wakes up like on the last time he woke up, which was like on this dock. It's big power, especially if you're talking about trading. Like if I could do a perfect trading day, just every day I have to kill myself at the end of the day so I can reset. It's still first entries, lower high here. It's still triggering first entries here. I don't know. That might be the only way to get in this downtrend. Just jump in the first entries. I'm just like waiting for something to happen here because like this is like impossible to trade. Even if I were to trade, it's like impossible to trade. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna wait for an entry that has the highest probability here. Ooh, okay. Okay. I'll buy down here. I'll buy down here, get crushed in a millisecond. Still in this trade somehow. If it pushes down again, I'm flattening. Pushes down again, I'm flattening. Pushes down again, I'm flattening. I don't know, pandas. I'm getting crushed here. What's my threshold? My threshold's about $1,000 still. I've been here before, pandas! My threshold's less than 1,000. It's about 800. I can't do this every day, pandas. It's so painful. These days are so painful to trade. We've been on first entries every single time, making lower highs, grinding down for about 30 minutes straight. It's insane. Ever since up here, we have never broken a previous pivot high. It's actually kind of crazy. We're on 13 pushes down without breaking a previous pivot high. You can see right here, 13. Oh, okay, we just reset. Just broke the pattern. It took a very long time, and I just watched it all happen. I tried to find a bounce here off the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. That's why I bought there. Also the bottom of the channel. So I figured maybe double support, 2 time frames. Let's try. And then get crushed so fast that Rhythmic couldn't even take me out correctly. And left my order open. I felt like maybe there's a chance. Get crushed. I don't know, pandas. Now if I feel like I go short, it's too late. If I go short, it's too late now. Going short here is too late. These days are tough, pandas. These kind of days are tough. Jeez, look at this. Look at this. Look at all this nonsense we had to go through. Finally break down and then turns into this mess. I don't know, it's like I'm just short here. Do I like it though? We're in a strong downtrend, but don't know, maybe. Maybe. It's overextended, doesn't make sense, doesn't come off the 20 EMA, outside bar reversal, no thank you. Ends up being a very strong push down though. Right, the setup is like so ugly, but ends up working out actually kind of nice. I'll take a lower high here. Seems like we're like unstoppable downtrend right now. Okay. It's a little bullish right now. What in the world? Pandas. I don't know, pandas. This one's throwing me for a loop. In the blender right now, pandas. You chopped up. 20 EMA. Gonna blast through it, huh? Nah, big down, big up. Just sitting on my pause here. It is another push down, but beneath the 20 EMA as well. But that big down, big up here, it's confusing me. It really is confusing me. Someone has a prediction. 18,517. What is that? 18,517. That is very far down. Okay, bouncing off the 20 EMA ends up looking nice here. Maybe making a lower low here. But it is what it is. Catch you short in midair. I don't care. Trade in the air like you just don't care. You know what I mean? Take a trade in the air like you just don't care. It doesn't make sense, pandas. This one truly makes no sense. What? Strong bull bar neon's high. I mean, that's your signal bar. Pandas. I don't know what to do, man. I'm just watching this. I'm watching this like the rest of you. So I get you short. Don't like it when it looks like this for sure. I like it if it's like up here maybe, but not like this. Not when you have this trend line right here. So I get you short about a trigger though. Could be an opportunity to enter this short. Could be an opportunity to enter the short. I'm gonna sit on my pause here. It could be your opportunity to enter this downtrend, right there. The second you're short, ends up being a nice push down. I don't know, pandas. I don't know what to do. I'm like trying to go short, but it's so choppy. It's so choppy still, in my opinion. Outside bar reversal. What's supposed to do with that? I'm just selling. I don't know. Just selling anywhere, everywhere. See what happens. Trying to get early into these breakouts. Breakdowns. Trying to get into these breakouts earlier. Instead of like way down here. Just trying to get in the moment I sense it. Right? 2 dojis. Okay. It's absolute nonsense. What is going on? Just trying to get in a downtrend the moment it starts. Like the breakdowns the moment it starts. Okay, could be a good entry here. A lower high. Right, bears are having a hard time making money. Is it true? We shall see. Jeez. Bunch of dojis in a row now. It's about 50-50. Pushes up. Again. I mean, pushes down again. I might double my position. Why not? What's the worst that could happen? Ugly. Ugly. Takes me out. Ugly, ugly, ugly. I'm still in this trade somehow. I mean, I'm just trying to jump in the downtrend. I'm just trying to jump in the breakdown once it happens, and it turns into this the moment I enter in the trade. It turns into this right when I enter the trade. Panda. I couldn't even make money on this move down. Look at this. Look at this move down, pandas, and I can't make money off of this. It's so hard. It's so incredibly difficult to make money in this weird looking downtrend, pandas. So incredibly hard. I just don't know what to do. Do not know what to do. We're about to bust these accounts, which sucks. It really sucks. I do not want to bust these accounts. I really don't. I really don't. I really don't want to bust these accounts. Outside bar reversal again. Nothing's. Just let it happen. Whatever. Outside bar reversal. Outside bar reversal. I don't like it. Especially when it looks like this right here. Ends up being a nice entry bar. Pretty bearish looking. It's too confusing. Too confusing for me. Tilt trade. Alright. Alright. I mean, I'm thankful the market made it easy for me to let me know what to do. Like, at least I know what not to do. Needs to go double position short right there. What am I looking at right now, pandas? Another limit order market. What am I supposed to do? Sell here? Hard for me to go short here because obviously there is a trend line here now. And it's completely choppy here. Should I be going long here instead? Second just short though. Just continue the downtrend. Am I making things too complicated here, pandas? I think so. Making things surely too complicated here. It's a very strong downtrend, but I have a hard time entering into it. Lots of wicks, lots of dojis, lots of overlap all the way down. It's not my type of market, but whatever. Monkey trade here. Tilted. Absolutely tilted. What? Whew. Should I be buying down here? Should I be buying on this trap? Okay. I think we got something here. Limit order trades right here. Perhaps. That's what just triggered. I hate this trade. It's like obviously turning to a trading range right now. Obviously turning to a trading range, but will it just break down here? Ugliest looking signal bar. What's possible to known to mankind? Pandas, what's happening right now? Can you believe this market? What in the world is going on? Painful day. Very painful. Last week was painful. This week, today is also painful. I think all last week was very difficult trading. Very confusing price action. Ugh, and it works, pandas, and it works. Like I just don't know what to do here. It actually works. I just don't know what to do. Tilted trade here. Absolutely tilted out of my mind. Taking a trade against a trend right now. Just because we've been so choppy. really against the trend right now. Okay. Wow. I mean, what do I really have to lose? What do I really have to lose, pandas? I'm just continuing this pattern here. I'm gonna try to scalp out if I can. I need another base hit just for the mental capital. Might not even get it. Might not even get it. Limit order trades right here. Might not even get it. Coming out break even on that trade. I don't like the higher low situation. Trap trade. Coming with a double position here maybe. This one is called the account saver trade. How much threshold do I have? Of about 500. 500 is plenty. You need an opportunity though. Need an opportunity here. Ooh, trading against this pivot. It needs to be perfect. It needs to really be perfect for me to want to enter. Tap off the 20 EMA here. Can't be outside bar reversal either. Beggars can't be choosers, pandas. Dumbest trade of my life, perhaps. We shall see. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. Pandas, I gotta hold on to this one. Whoa! Let's take off a little bit. Oh gosh. I really don't want to come out break even, but my capital's protected now. Might as well risk more because I'm risking zero money here now. I may have to hold the entire risk in order to keep this trade alive. Pandas. I tried, pandas. I tried. I thought we had something special. I thought we really had something special there. Ends up being a flop. Big ol' flop. Floppity flop flop. Yeah, it came out break even correctly here because now it's actually reversing. Like I would have got stopped out already. I mean, I wanted more. I mean, we see a couple strong bull bars. Might as well hope for more, especially when our stop loss is at break even. Lower high now. I mean, trading range. What can you do? Should be selling up here, buying down here, I guess. Something like this. I don't know. I'll try. It's been a pretty horrendous day for trading today. Really thought we had something special here, Pandas. I was hoping for it, but didn't give us much. It's been a nice little scalp, but I wanted more. I really wanted more. I mean, was it at least a 1 to 2? Yeah, it didn't hit 1 to 2, so. All right, pushing up. Pushing up now, quite hard. Your swing stop loss is right here. That means your target's right here for that trade. A high or low could be okay trade here, but I'm thinking more trading range here, starting to develop. Right, swing trades are still in this trade, and they want to hit this target for a 1-to-1 at least. I wasn't willing to hold this much. I don't think I could even hold this much with the amount of threshold I had left. I feel like we're in trading range though, we'll see. Okay. Lower high, might be interested. I don't know. It feels like entry long as well. Right, to come back into our trading range. Feels like entry long. So actually, it's not really feels. Let me reset this. The outside bar reversal. I'm gonna reset that. Reset the counting here. I mean, should I just sell anywhere just to jump in here? I don't know. I can't do that. Train's been very difficult last couple of days. Even on this strong downtrend, it's just the setups to get into it. It's just been nasty, very hard. Lots of chop all the way down. Got a double top here. Guess I'll take a lower high, pen as I don't know what to do. I want to lower a high here. I mean, technically, we're just back in our trading range. Okay, outside bar reversal. Typical on days like this. Tons of outside bar reversals. I mean, if we're still in the trading range, this is not going to do much. Let's come right back up. Strong bear bar. Ending on its low. Absolute no entries here. No opportunities. That's what's annoying about days like this. Big push down, but no way to get in that trade. Sure. Well, why not? Let's get some momentum here. Just looking for a base hit. Absolutely no follow through on the strong bear bars, bear moves. This was confusing me a lot. Oh, I don't know. I have limit orders here. I can come out break even if I wanted to. Obviously, I'm going to hold it because I'm tilted out of my mind. Of course, I'm going to hold this bad trade because I'm absolutely tilted, pandas.
Target filled.
Sure, I'll take it. It wasn't the prettiest trade, but it's a trade. It's bamboo. Going the right direction now. It's a sell anywhere, everywhere type situation. Sell anywhere, everywhere. Just limit order trading. Selling with limit orders on a breakdown here. See if I can capture another scalp here. And it looks like I'm going to get stung again. Can't even make money with limit orders on a breakdown. I mean, if you can't make money with limit orders on a breakdown, then the bears are having a hard time making money here. All right, I come back to this retracement here. It's just very hard to trade this. I realize once I'm like able to capture, like once I'm able to identify market cycles, like basically gain that ability. Nowadays, where the market cycle continually changes, these are the days that kill me. Just no matter what, the edge is very thin when it comes to trading. Like, you know, it's a limit order market, so let's enter with limit orders. But the limit order market lasts for like just a few like candles and then changes immediately. Obviously, I want to get back to my top of the trading range here. This is in the middle of the trading range. Can't go short here. I'm going to hold until it actually hits my top of the trading range. Possible second entry short opportunity here. Or it could reverse. Just break your neck and reverse from here. Could. Let's see if we can get a limit order trade here in this limit order market. Let's see if bears have any resolve here. Possible second entry short opportunity. I may go in double position here. If this entry, if I make money on this, or if I enter this trade, and it's also a second entry short, I'll take both. If it's just a second entry short, I'll just take the second entry short. Okay, we're in this trade. Obviously, we're thinking we're in a trading range, so we're going to look for a target at the bottom of the trading range. Strong push up. It's going to melt my face off. It's going to rip my face off right here. Okay, cool. Very cool. V bottoms here. Very, very cool. Last trade probably for these accounts right here, pandas. This one might be it. This might be the trade that rules them all here. It's going to be a trap trade here, double position. I hate to take out the outside bar reversal, but I will. Wow, big bear bar here. Okay, interesting. Really big bear bar. Yikes. That's a hard trade to take. Interesting. I don't know if I want to take this anymore. That's a pretty strong push down. I don't know. I guess a better trade is for a failure. Failed trap. To push, continue to push down. Break a trend to new low. Which one do I want? I'll take the failed trap, pushing back down to the bottom here. I'll take that trade. Okay. Okay, pandas. Failed trap. Coming back into our trading range. Can we get it? Or does this look absolutely bullish right now? Needs one more leg up. Maybe. Last trade of the stream, pandas. Possibly the last trade of these accounts. Oof, okay. Outside bar reversal. I hate that. I hate that outside bar reversal. I hate that outside bar reversal. Why? Why do you have to do with the outside bar reversal? Still enter this trade. Ay. I'll be sweating right now if I was in this trade. If I was short here, I'd be sweating right now. I'd be absolutely sweating right now if I was in this trade going short here. I think it wants a new high though, pandas. I think it wants a new high. New high first before really pushing down. Wants a new high before pushing down. Second entry long. Anyone bought Apex withdrew? I've withdrawn a lot. I've withdrawn plenty. Just had a payout 11,000. Quite a strong push up here. Last trade of the stream. It's gonna be absolutely ridiculous. You wonder, buy my money. Why is your stop? Why is your entry so far down? We will never get there. But if we do, pandas, just watch. If we do get down here, just watch. Are you watching, pandas? Are you watching? If we do get down here, just watch. If we do get down here, just watch, pandas. Are you ready? Are you ready for the greatest trade you've ever seen? Whoa. That was so weird. It entered the trade, but it gave me like a really good entry, actually. Do you believe, pandas? Do you believe? Last trade of the stream. Do you believe? Whew. Can we get more? Can we get more? Do you believe? Pandas! Why do you have to do this to me? Why do you have to give me so much heartache, market? Why can't you just do one thing for me one time? What is this? Do you believe, pandas? Do you believe? Oh, don't reverse. Why do I feel like it's gonna break my neck? Why do I always feel like it's gonna break my neck? Why can't it be just one smooth move down? It's one smooth move down to the downside, pandas. Why can't it be like that? Why does it always have to be this very, very painful grind to the downside, pandas? Can we just get one smooth move to the downside? It's all I asked for today, pandas. We're gonna use these pivots. It's not worth it. It's not worth it. I'm just gonna keep it here. This pivot's not worth it. Why can't you just give me one smooth move to the downside, pandas? One nice smooth move. Okay, lower high. I'm loving that. Lower high, pandas. Do you believe? Oh, oh. 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 Oh.
Target filled.
I'll take one out. I'll take one out. I'll take one out, pandas. I'll take one out. I got a runner. I got a runner. Pandas, I got a runner here. Let's just take one out and see what the Lord gives us today. Let's see what God has in store. I took one out, pandas. I mean, I can ride these pivots. But honestly, from here to here, do I care? Not really. From here to here, do I care? No, I don't. I'll try to write swing pivots. So if we break this low, I'll bring it to this swing pivot here. We'll do swing pivots here today. We'll do swing pivots instead of scalp pivots. Scalp pivot, right? I'll be here right now. Swing pivot, I'll be here once we break this low. Because we're hoping for lower highs, lower lows. Okay, I'm glad I took a little bit off. Protected some profits there, pandas. I'm glad. I don't know about you, but I'm glad I took some profits there. I don't really have a target. Maybe closing the gap on the 5-minute chart. Way down here, maybe. That might be my target here. Okay, so if we break this low, no, we can't break the low. We have to break this. We have to make a new low here. If we make a new low here, I'm going to change my pivot to right here. But we first have to break this low. Only when a new low is created, then we have a pivot, swing pivot, right? Even if it comes back up, doesn't matter. It has to break this low. Then we got a new swing pivot. So we'll be like in with the swing traders. You know what I mean, pandas? Okay, even if it's a second inch short, I don't care. I don't care, pandas. I just need a new pivot low. I need a new swing low. Does that make sense, pandas? The swing low? Probably doesn't, but it's all good. Swing low versus the scalp lows. Right, this is a scalp low. If we break this low now, it's a swing low. And this is a swing stop. I don't care from here to here. I don't really care about that much bamboo. I think this price is worth seeing how far down this can go. Right, this could be potentially a lot more. You got a second inch short forming here. I don't mind a second inch short. I mean, I like it a lot, actually. But we got to break this low in order for me to move my pivot. And again, the pivot will be here, not here. Because we're swing trading now. Right, this trade, the scalp, we scalped out like a nice juicy scalp here. Very juicy, I think. Pretty good scalp here. Well, how many points was that? 27-point trade. I'll take it, pandas. But we're still in it. We are still in it. Now it's getting like, it's doing this nonsense again. How low can you go? How low can you go? Pandas, do you believe? Do you believe? I'll tell you the trade I took once this is done. I'll show you the trade, why I took it. It did some crazy like entry. It actually entered me up here when my you know, like the market's volatile. They call it the Nascraq for a reason. That's why we call it Nascraq. It's not a limit order to enter here, but it fills me here to enter my. You know when your limit orders are giving you slippage is when the market's volatile. Jeez Louise. There's limit order slippage. It's crazy. All right, second inch is short. Still, we're not in the clear yet for our swing trade. We're still waiting for our swing to happen. We need to break this low. It's creating a triangle right now. And it's a triangle in our favor currently. See what happens at the end though. I mean, we can be taken out here and I don't care. It is what it is. Trap does trigger on the 500 tick chart, but it's beneath the 20 EMA. Okay, pushing up. We're still in this trade. We still have hope. Now it's a little bit weird because now this pivot is higher than this pivot. So if we break this low, I don't think I can really move my stop loss still. Like we need to make new lows with new highs. Or sorry, lower highs with lower lows. Right now this high is higher than this high. Making it a little bit, making this basically the pivot, right? This is the pullback, right? Technically your pivot's here. Technically my stop loss, if I were to swing this, should be up here. Technically, for the swing pivot. But right now, since I entered here, I'm just putting it at break even. If it takes me out, it takes me out. It is what it is. Super unfortunate, but it's just it is what it is. What can you do? You can only take what the Lord giveth, you know? That's what the market is all about. You take what the Lord giveth. It is what it is. We got to break this low in order to consider a new swing pivot. If we break this low, technically this will be a scalp pivot. Because we just broke this high, this pivot high. So here's our new pivot now that we base it off of our trade. We've got an inside bar, 5-minute chart. It's not looking too hot for us, but we'll see. Looks like it will GOP back to the opening gap being a Monday. Possibly. 5-minute. Right. There is a gap here. That's what I'm trying to get down to. That's where my target is. If we push up here, this could be the end of our trade here. This could be the end. And it was a fun trade, Pandas. And you gotta try. You just gotta try. It's been a fun trade. It's been a good journey, Pandas. It's been a very good journey, this last trade. I'm hoping this has a little bit more to give. But I'm not sure how else to manage this trade. I'm not sure if I want to really move this higher. Like, I'm going to just keep it break even. I'm okay. I already scalped out on one contract, so I'm content with the trade. Anything more here is extra, right? This runner's extra right now. Pops up a little bit. Could be the end of the trade here. Wouldn't be surprised if it was. We've just been so choppy all day. It could stop me out and continue to go down. I mean, it's just the markings of this market cycle. It's just like what it's gonna do. It's gonna stop you out and then keep going down. Yeah, I'm dead. Darn. I mean, I tried. Pandas, I tried. Takes me out. I'm still somehow alive. I don't think it'd be very much longer, though. I don't think it'd be for very much longer, but who knows, Pandas? Who knows? Okay, I'm dead. We made some bamboo back. The bamboo back, Pandas. It's tough. Tough market. Tough market. Tough market. Very tough market here. But that last trade, we made okay bamboo, made a couple hundred. Right, we created some buffer here. We have about $1,000 now of threshold, which is better than what we had, which was like $400 before this. I wanted more though. I thought we got a lot more. That sucks though. That really does suck. But swing traders are still in this trade, right? Their stop losses up here, swing traders. Pandas. I mean, I know you've seen it many times on stream before, me making these huge comebacks. But today, I mean, we just kind of lessened the blow a little bit. It's been a tough market. I mean, it's like, it's a downtrend, but it's like, when do I enter when it looks like this? When do I enter when it looks like this? Right here. Double top. I mean, I don't know. This could have reversed. From all I do. This looked really, really like strong reversal. And then, no entries to enter. I took one sus entry on the super strong push down. Made a scalp. I don't know. Pretty strong pullback. Alright, I think that's it. I mean, I'm red today, big red, but it's not much I can do. Alright, Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Hopefully these accounts, I'm probably not going to trade these accounts. So these accounts will still be here tomorrow, but man, hopefully tomorrow we can make some bamboo back. It's been rough. The last week and this week, it's just rough. I'm trying to get limit orders on strong downtrends. I'm trying to, limit orders on trading ranges. I'm trying to, sell anywhere on breakdowns, breakouts. None of it's working, Pandas. None of it's working. So it's just been difficult for me. I feel like I've been doing what I should be doing, but I'm just finding myself on the wrong side. The Lord giveth and the Lord taketh. You know what I mean, Pandas? I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. It is what it is. I'm happy, whatever. Sucks, but at least accounts are still alive. We, live to trade another day. And, can't complain about that. All right, Pandas. Trade safe for everyone. As always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.